Hi guys, this is your host Uzma from Mirza Properties. For people who are looking for properties in Seawood's Navi Mumbai, today I am here with the details of a ready-to-move-in property called Aastha Alavio. In the end of this video, I will be giving you the pricing details of the project, so kindly watch the video till the end. So let us start with the video.
So we have started this video from Seawood DMart. The project is located 5 minutes walking distance from DMart. From Grand Central Mall and Seawood Station, it's 5 minutes drive. As you can see, there is market area. The project name is Aastha Alavio. This is the entrance of the project. As you can see, we are entering the grand lobby. It is double height entrance lobby with recreational space. 2 elevators are provided. Lobby is very well designed. Let us see 2 BHK sample flat. As you enter, this is the living room. Living room size is 16 by 12. Living room is immensely spacious. There's a balcony attached to the living room with a road view. You can easily set your wall unit, sofa sets and other utilities over here. Moving forward to the master bedroom. We are entering the master bedroom. Master bedroom size is 12 by 10 approximately. As you can see, there's a balcony in the master bedroom with a road view. You can easily place your wardrobe, bed over here. Now let us see the common washroom of the master bedroom. This is the common washroom of the master bedroom with western toilet with branded sanitaries. There's a dry area included. Washing machine point has been given. Moving ahead to the kitchen area. Kitchen is to the left. So we are entering the kitchen. Kitchen is double platform. It's black granite with SS sink. Kitchen also includes a balcony which is very spacious. You can use it as a storage room too. Now let us see the common washroom. The common washroom has a dry area too, western toilets, branded sanitaries. Washing machine point has been given. Moving forward to the other bedroom. The size of this bedroom is 9 by 7. This bedroom is spacious. It also has a balcony with a road view. You can easily place your bed wardrobe over here. So this was a tour of the 2 BHK sample flat. Moving forward to the amenities area. The amenities area is on the second floor. So we are entering the banquet hall. The banquet hall is very spacious. Its capacity is 200 to 250 people. It is fully air conditioned. Any of your family functions can be organized over here. It is well designed. Now let us see the gym area. Gym is spacious. All the equipments are present. Fully air conditioned. It is well designed too. Now let us see the indoor games. Indoor game area includes table tennis, chess, carom and other games. Moving forward to the garden area. So this is the courtyard. It is a huge courtyard. There's a swimming pool which includes both adult and kids swimming pool. Courtyard also includes green walkway. Courtyard also has sitting area with a city view. It also includes amphitheater. Moving forward to the kids play area. So this is the children's play area. So guys, this was the entire tour of the project. Hope you liked it.
I hope you liked the video. So this project has received its OC and it is CITCO titled and RERA registered project. So the 2 BHK price is from 1.55 CR and for 3 BHK it is 1.80 CR. If you are interested in this project or want more details on it, you can kindly contact us on the number given in the description below. I hope you liked the video. For more such videos, keep following us. Kindly subscribe and like our video and turn on the notification button for more details and for more such videos. Thank you. See you again.